Hi there, I'm Wally Wells with MarineMax Dallas Yacht Center, and today I want to show you this beautiful 2024 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer. This boat's equipped with a hydraulic swim platform, so if you're in an area like on our area lakes here where beach access is limited, this becomes your own private beach. And it's really cool to sit down there on the platform while you're still on the boat, but yet you're in the water. And at night you can turn on the underwater lights and give it that swimming pool effect back there. Also here at the transom there are these large storage lockers here. Nice big back seat. And then this becomes a tanning area when you open up the back seat rest. Here in the cockpit of the boat, we have a large L-shaped sofa with storage under the seats, and there's a removable table. On the other side, we have the cook station that features the Kenyan electric grill, refrigerator, and then there's a dedicated trash locker here. Overhead, there's a sure shade that can be moved out that will go all the way back to the back seats of the boat here, if you prefer shade over the sun. Above we have this opening skylight here that's very easy to open and close. Here at the helm we have the Simrad touchscreen displays, lots of options here. We've got the radar up right now, we've engine controls, we've got chart over to the left, Fusion stereo control head here. There's a remote at the transom and a remote at the bow. Controls for the engines over here, DTS controls, and then joystick controller here, which has auto helm feature, plus sky hook. As we walk up into the bow area, one of the most attractive features about this boat is the recessed sitting area where you have 3 people across. There are drop-down armrests, stereo remote, charging ports for your phones, drink holders. Up here at the bow, there's also a stainless spotlight, stainless steel plow anchor that can be controlled by the anchor windlass here at the bow or from the helm. Here in the main cabin, we have this large V-berth area that can be used as a berth as you see it now, or you can remove the cushions, put in the pedestal for the table, and have a dining area. Flat screen TV, electrical panel is over to the starboard side. Here in the head, you'll find a vacuum flush toilet, a shower, vessel style sink, large window with opening port, mirrored vanity, air conditioning vent, very nice and comfortable. And then back here in the mid berth, you're going to find 2 twin beds as you see it here, but that can be pulled together to make a large queen berth. Other features here in the main cabin are the refrigerator, microwave, and then there's storage lockers down below that. Well, that wraps up this video for the 2024 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer. If you're interested in this boat, please call the number on the screen. Again, my name's Wally Wells for MarineMax Dallas Yacht Center. Thanks for watching.